Hey, what's up guys, it's Smalls from the BMX community. I'm just showing off my new 2012 We the People Justice. I'm bad with this camera. Just got it. Got an Odyssey Nightwolf seat, it's real nice. The stock pegs, salt grips, We the People handlebars, they're chrome, I like them a lot, they're nice. The salt. They're like a smoky chrome. I like them. And I got these sog pedals. In my next video, I'm gonna be wearing some pink ones. And I got salt hub, salt spokes, salt tire. Same for the back. The We the People frame. It's a Justice. I got the salt headset. Spikes, pretty light. I think it's like 22 pounds. I'm gonna start coming up with videos, daily sessions videos, like skate, scooting, and biking. Bringing them every week. This is my bike. Thanks for watching it. Oh.